Good day, everyone. Welcome to our career show organised by the London School of Emerging Technology, LSET. And today's topic of discussion revolves around the AI-driven future of work. Artificial intelligence, once confined to science fiction, is now transforming industries across the globe. As businesses embrace AI-driven technologies to enhance efficiency and productivity, it's crucial to understand its impact on the job market and the growing need for upskilling to stay relevant in this rapidly changing landscape. I'm your host, Elizabeth. Let's delve into the integration of AI in various sectors and its profound effect on job roles, urging professionals to adapt through upskilling. From manufacturing to finance, customer service to healthcare, AI is revolutionizing industries at an unprecedented pace. Advanced algorithms and machine learning models are streamlining processes, optimizing decision-making, and enabling businesses to achieve new heights of success. However, with these advancements come changes in job requirements and the need for a dynamic workforce. The integration of AI is undoubtedly creating efficiencies, but it is also reshaping job roles. Repetitive and mundane tasks are increasingly being automated, leading to a shift in job requirements. While some positions may become obsolete, new roles centered around AI management, data analysis, and system maintenance are emerging. It is essential for professionals to adapt their skills to meet these evolving demands. Upskilling has become a necessity for professionals looking to thrive in the AI era. As technology advances, so must our skills. Employers are seeking individuals with expertise in AI implementation, data analysis, and machine learning. Fortunately, there are a myriad of online courses, workshops, and skill development programs available to equip individuals with the necessary competencies. Fostering an AI-ready workforce is a responsibility shared by employers and employees alike. Forward-thinking companies are investing in employee training programs to equip their workforce with AI-related skills. Additionally, mentoring initiatives built by AI specialists can help bridge the knowledge gap and create a collaborative learning environment. While technical skills are crucial, soft skills are equally important in the AI-driven job market. AI may handle routine tasks, but human attributes such as critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, and adaptability are irreplaceable. Professionals must hone these skills to complement AI technologies and add unique value to their roles. The AI revolution marks the beginning of a new era where learning becomes a lifelong endeavour. To stay relevant and agile in the job market, individuals must embrace continuous learning. This proactive approach to acquiring knowledge will enable professionals to stay ahead of industry trends and secure fulfilling and dynamic career paths. As AI reshapes industries and job roles, the need for upskilling becomes more critical than ever before. By embracing AI technologies, honing technical and soft skills, and cultivating a culture of lifelong learning, professionals can thrive in the ever-changing job market of the AI era. Let us embrace this transformation and be ready for the exciting opportunities it brings. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the AI-driven future. Together, let's navigate this AI-powered future with optimism and a commitment to growth. Remember, staying informed about AI is essential for your professional growth. Embrace the changes, seek opportunities for upskilling, and leverage your unique strengths in this evolving landscape. Goodbye, and don't forget to visit the interesting IT courses from LSET, like Python programming, machine learning, and data science with Python. To find out more about these courses, you can click on the link below.